Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about screen protectors. First things people say when getting their Tesla is to throw on a screen protector. I brush it off. I've always hated screen protectors on phones, but as we know, phones drop, and I hate those little scratches that show up once in a while. So I put one on. These days, the quality is remarkable. The glass feels original and the fit is precise, so you can hardly tell it's there. I don't mind them anymore. Flip over to the car. There's no worries of dropping your Tesla screen, so I never bothered with it. But I can honestly say every time the kids are playing in the front, I'm always a little nervous. That $1,300 repair fee is always on the back of my mind. One of the other benefits of a screen protector is that I've heard they're fingerprint resistant. That's a pet peeve of mine, so I'm looking forward to it. So I looked into it and decided on the Elon Accessories version. This is probably the most expensive one you can get, but there's countless 5-star reviews, and I usually go with what has best reviews. There are cheap ones on Amazon for about $20, and other ones from popular Tesla sites for around $50. Usually I try to go for the cheaper option, which is why I don't have white seats. And I always regret it later. So this time I decided to spring for what sounded like the best product, especially since I'll be interacting with the screen daily and it should last a long time. Let's go ahead and show you how to install it. This will actually be my second go at it. The first one didn't go so well. Alright, so this is the box. It's a very nice box, very big. So you have a nice letter from Elon Accessories. Some shareable cleaning products. Here are the instructions. So I highly recommend it both in terms of reading the instructions. You're watching this video, so you're doing good. Or go on the Elon Accessories webpage and check out their install video. And you also actually have these little guys saying, yes, you suck at parking. So first what we're going to do is put the screen on screen clean mode. And then I'm going to wipe it down. So you want to open your installation kit. So you'll have a wet wipe, a dry wipe, a squeegee, a cloth, and here are your guide stickers as well as a dust absorber. So you have 2 sets of these. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean the screen first. So now you're going to want to put these stickers over here. Just put them on the back side like that. Okay, so we have all that set up. We're going to take the screen protector out. So you'll see a little tab on the bottom right corner. You want to make sure that the writing is away from you. So it's going to be in the bottom right corner. So what you're going to do is align it to where you want it. And then work your way across. If you want to adjust a little bit. I think that's good. At that point, you also want to just make sure, double check that there are no dust or anything like that underneath. That's the wet one. And you can take your dust absorber, kind of like fold it like this. Just get any dust that's left. Okay, I'm happy. I'm just going to double check the fist. Doesn't lift. So like I said, when you're peeling off, you want to go, don't go too high above, because what's going to happen is when you're peeling, there's a chance that the cover can come off the guides. So we want to stay parallel like that. Once it's off, you want to kind of guide it with your fingers to make sure it's on the proper thing. All right. Very nervous. So I gotta redo that because there's dust again. So we're gonna peel like that and try not to touch the screen. Then we're gonna guide it with your fingers on the bottom. And what should happen is be like a little wave that's gonna come down. It's coming down, or it's going from the side. As you can see, just gonna push that bubble down. There. Yeah. Go around the edges to get the last bubbles out. I don't see any, so it shouldn't be an issue. There you go. Perfect. So we can take the guide stickers off. Perfect. So I'm going to show you the fit really closely. It looks amazing. Definitely no glare from the sun. The sun's behind me. And I don't see any glare. Beautiful matte finish. Yeah, perfect. I love it. I've had the protector on for about a week, and I'm totally blown away. I love the look of the matte finish. It's comparable to those paper-like Kindle readers where it feels like digital ink. There are barely any reflections, and the best part, no more fingerprints. And if any pop up, they just wipe off really easily. Watching movies and playing games still look great. No worries about that. And the fit is precise. You can't even tell there's a protector on. It looks literally like it came from the factory. I'm really happy with the Elon Accessories. As I mentioned earlier, I had a mishap when I first installed it. I contacted the owner, Ram, and he quickly sent out a replacement. It took like 2 days. Also something to consider, there's a lifetime warranty with Elon Accessories. Not too sure if the other guys do that, but Elon Accessories is top notch. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about welcome back to Northern Tesla. Today I'm going to talk about welcome back guys. Today